What's going on, guys? I am Stock Sniper Mike, and we are back again with another Weekly Watchers video. For those of you guys that don't know, the Weekly Watchers is a watch list of 10 or more stocks we are looking at to make money on the upcoming week. Now, it's just not me that is trying to make money. I'm trying to make money for you and I. So let's dive into this list and let's see which one could possibly give us a bag in the upcoming week and to close out September trading. If you are wondering where to find this Weekly Watchers watch list, it's on the Stock Snipers app and our website at thestocksnipers.com. But today I'm going to pull you up into our app. So when you log in here, you'll see our all page, and that's everything we have to offer. 2 watches a day, a chat room, webinars every single Wednesday, once a week, as well as the good old weekly watch list posted every Sunday night after football. So if you look into the watch list tab, you'll see the weekly watchers with the guy with the binoculars, and when you click on it, you'll have the list of stocks that we're eyeing down with the sniper pattern that we're looking for in the upcoming week. Bread and butter are OTC stocks. So we always are going to start off with OTC stocks, and then we'll dive into the listed. This week is split up exactly in half. We have 7 OTC stocks and 7 listed stocks, a total 14 stocks to watch for the upcoming week and to close out September. Now, the overall market, the SPY and the QQQ and the Dow Jones have been falling since last week, creating 4 straight red days to close out the week. So this upcoming week, we are anticipating a bounce. I believe you'll be able to tag a bag on a couple of these plays here. So let's dive in and then let's show you what we got. So we'll start off with an OTC penny stock. This is one that it came all the way down from 1.6 to a penny in 2 days, and a penny is a big spot. We're looking for it to bounce off that penny spot and then create a first green day off that 1.0 spot. This stock has nice potential in the past, and usually if it's spiked before, it can spike again. Next one is a higher price OTC stock. Not all OTCs are penny stocks. Nlst, for example, is a $2 stock. This is a stock that has made multiple downward days with the market, and we're just looking for that first green day play. We're looking for it to hold 255 lows and get back above 270. And if it's able to do that, we'll be looking to play that first green day this week. OTC sub-penny stock TXTM is one we recently just made money off of, and we're looking to make some more. This is a sub-penny multi-month breakout that could possibly break 0096 multi-month highs, and if it breaks that, we believe we'll be able to get that push to a penny. So TXTM is definitely one of those past runners that is now running again, and we'll be looking to take advantage of the multi-month move. OTC sub-penny VNTH is one that spiked 2 weeks ago, and now it's consolidating in a certain range between 2.3 and 1.5. That is 0023 and 0015. This is a sub-penny stock, so we are looking for the day that it gets back above that 0023 spot and heads up towards 0027 multi-month highs. HIRU. This is a very active sub-penny stock on Twitter. If you don't follow them on Twitter, make sure to go follow their Twitter page. They're always posting pump news like with Shaq, Vlade Divac. Always interesting stuff going on with HIRU. Definitely keep an eye on them to make a first green day, but they've been a light volume mover, and we usually like to see 200,000 or more in dollar volume to take advantage of one of these plays. So we'll be keeping an eye on a volume and first green day play in HIRU. OTC Bitcoin related stock Humble HMBL is one that traded in the 7s not even a year ago, back when it was on CNBC, and now it's coming all the way back down to 2 cents. So from $7 to 2 cents shows you the beauty of these OTC stocks and why you cannot trust any of them. Humble, we're looking for a first green day. It's made multiple red days and is definitely due for that first green day. Last, but certainly not least, is an OTC cannabis stock. We can't leave the list out without one cannabis stock, our favorite sector, the OTC cannabis mover CRLBF. That's Cresco Labs. They are on a big downtrend, coming close to 240, 250 long-term support area. If we get it bounce all the way back down to that spot, we'll be looking for a bounce off that spot and a first green day play in CRLBF. Now let's move into the listed stuff. This is the fun because the market is crashing and a lot of volatility happens in the listed market when the market crashes. A lot of these listed stocks we're looking at are larger listed plays. So ones that you've heard about, huge companies, Microsoft, Google, Shopify, Beyond Meat. So we are anticipating a move on these larger listed plays if the market's able to bounce. The midday reversal play is a key play that we've been watching for a while now, and one that we'll be keeping an eye on this week. What we look for is a QQQ or SPY to completely fall throughout the morning, and then we're looking for that midday reversal around 11 to 12, and then we'll be looking for the call side in the way up on the first bounce green day when it happens, Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday. Those are the days we're predicting for that bounce. Larger listed stock BYND is one of the largest vegan companies out there, BYND, and it's one we're keeping an eye on because look at how far it's dropped in the past month, from $40 all the way down to $14. If it's able to hold $14.60, we believe the first green day should come this week, and we'll be looking for that spot in BYND. Google, everyone knows Google out there, GOOG. They recently did a reverse split. Used to be a $2,000 stock. Now they're all the way back down to $100 and actually cracked $100 for the first time ever. So this is now a two-digit stock at $99. We're looking for the first green day push back above $100, and if we're able to get that, we'll be looking for a push past 103 and we'll be looking to play the call options on Google on the way up. Microsoft, MSFT. This is another huge company that has been downtrending for 10 straight days like Google, and we're just looking for that first change of momentum green day that should be coming in the upcoming week here. These next two are similar moves. Most of the listed stocks have been getting drained out the past 2 weeks with the overall market, and Coinbase is a Bitcoin related broker that has been getting pushed down with the market and the fact that Bitcoin's price is not pushing. We're looking for coin to create a first green day, and we'll be looking for the first green day push back to $65-$70 area. Fedex, another large company, FDX, but this one just recently got a big gap down, and they were the ones to make us realize that we could be heading into a recession, showing us that all freight has slowed down in the world and that they're going to have to park some planes just to deal with the next quarter's revenues. FTX is one you want to keep an eye on for a first bounce green day, but it can also continue to fall. So we're not trying to tell you to catch a falling knife. Just try to take advantage of that momentum shift when the market does turn. And last but certainly not least is a listed low float. Low float, we say anything below 30 million is usually a low float there. And this is a stock that got above $1 on Friday, and 115 is a multi-month high spot. Cnet is a multi-month breaker that we're keeping an eye on, looking for it to hold that $1 break that it did on Friday and push past 115 1-month highs and then 122 multi-month highs. If it's able to push that, it should be able to get a short squeeze next week. But without a squeeze in the market or a first green day, we might not see anything happen in these larger listed stocks. So it's key for you to pay attention to the overall market and see if we do get that first bounce green day in the QQQ, SPY, and Dow Jones in the upcoming week. Hopefully you guys are able to profit off of one of these 14 stocks. I know 14 is a lot, but the idea is that they are going to be able to hold their supports, and when they do break the resistance, you look to make that buy. Hopefully you enjoyed the weekly watchers. We'll be back here next week for another one. Let's kill it to close out September trading. Stock Sniper Mike, out.